Are you setting up Zoho Analytics and have questions about how to best manage workspaces? Hi, my name is Zach Spader with Cornerstone Solutions, and today we're going to talk about how to effectively use workspaces in Zoho Analytics. Let's take a look. Okay, so when you first log into Zoho Analytics, if you've connected any applications to Analytics before, you're going to be shown your workspaces. And by default, whenever you add an application sync to Zoho Analytics, it's going to create its own workspace. But let's talk about how you would properly set that up if you want to combine workspaces together. So the benefit of combining workspaces together or apps together into a single workspace is that you can assign permissions to that workspace based on the people that need to be able to view that. So instead of segmenting your data out into separate workspaces and then having to assign permissions to those different workspaces, or putting everything into the same workspace where everybody has the same permissions within that workspace, you might want to think about organizing your workspaces so that you group apps together based on the people that are going to be needing to view those analytics. For example, if you have a marketing company or a finance department, you may want to group marketing apps into the same workspace and finance apps into the same workspace instead of having them um, everything together into a single workspace or creating separate workspaces for everything. The other benefit of having data in the same workspace is that you can report on it together. So if you have marketing data, let's say Zoho campaigns, and you also have Google Analytics, instead of having those in separate workspaces where you can't create combined reporting or dashboards, you can put them all into the same workspace so that they can share the information and you can have widgets and charts and graphs in the dashboard that are pulled from different applications. So in this particular case, we have some Zoho apps that are already connected to Zoho Analytics. And don't worry, if you've already connected apps to Zoho Analytics and they've created their own workspace, you can easily get rid of those syncs and resync them. As long as you don't have too much work in those workspaces, I can understand if you've already built a lot of reports and dashboards, how that could be frustrating to have to recreate those. But in this particular case, we have a CRM analytics workspace and we have a projects workspace here. And I'd like to go ahead and instead of having these in different workspaces, I'd like to combine them into the same workspace. So I'm going to go in here to the Zoho Projects workspace. I'm going to click into that. And then I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and click on Data Sources. And I'm just going to remove this data source by clicking Remove Data Source here. And this will remove this data source from this workspace. And then I'll go ahead and delete the workspace once this is done. So I'll come back up here to the Analytics homepage. And I'm going to go ahead and delete this workspace. Okay, so we deleted projects, and I want to go ahead and add projects into the CRM Analytics workspace. And so instead of clicking on Import Your Data up here in the top right-hand corner, you can just go into the workspace. So I'll go into the CRM Analytics workspace, and I'll go to the Data Sources option here. And then in the top right-hand corner, I can add data sources. And so I'm going to add the Projects app to the existing database that we have for CRM. So here I find my Projects app. I click on that, and I'll go ahead and sync this. Choose the organization, set your modules and your fields that you want to sync over, and then go ahead and click Create. Okay, this is going to sync this database. Oh, it wants me to select projects here. Okay, and then that's going to go ahead and start the sync for projects, but it's going to add it into the existing workspace that we have for the Zoho CRM. Okay, so now that's done syncing. And so we come back here to the Zoho CRM Analytics workspace, which we may want to rename now because it's not just CRM, it's projects as well. And you can see that all of our CRM module data and our project module data is all here together in the same workspace now. I can see up here at the top all of my CRM modules and reports. And then down here at the bottom, I can see the Zoho projects reports that I have. And so now it's all added in the same workspace. and I can give permission out to people into this particular workspace instead of having to do that individually in separate workspaces. And I can also put together dashboards now in a unified workspace instead of having that information in two different workspaces. So hopefully this video has been helpful in helping you organize your workspaces within Zoho Analytics. Hope you have a nice day. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.